Introducing first in the corner to my left, hailing from Sin City, she is the Wrestle Bay of professional wrestling, Vanity! Her opponent to my right, from Long Island, New York, she's got big hair and an even bigger smile. She is the babe with the power, Willow Nightingale!
Moving right along, we've got Willow Nightingale versus Vanity one-on-one, first time in a WWR ring. Two competitors that are extremely popular with the fans here in Providence, Rhode Island.
This should be an exciting one, too.
I don't know if I have a favorite. It's hard to call. Both have picked up so much momentum over the past 6 months here, WWR.
Yeah, it's gonna, whichever way it goes, it's going to be great. The fans are going to love it, but it should be interesting.
Of course, Vanity training alongside Kurt Hawkins, Pat Buck at the Creative Pro School. And just a town or two away, Willow Nightingale coming out of NYWC. There's a lot of wrestling going on in Long Island.
You know, you asked me earlier if I had been in the ring with either competitors, and I've been in the ring with both of these competitors as well. Vanity actually has done open sessions with Team Adams quite a bit.
Okay.
So I know what they're both capable of.
That might give her the edge. We're going to be seeing Team Adams, Karen Q and Tasha Steelz in a tag team match against the Sisterz a little bit later on tonight.
Yeah.
Of course, I would not expect to see any bending of the rules or anything like that in this matchup. I mean, as soon as the referee said that they were on the ropes, they immediately got off, so.
Yeah, the referee Kevin Quinn is quite intimidating. You don't want to mess with him, so.
I definitely expect to see a match one on the merits of either individual. Big monkey flip out of Vanity. So far, Vanity with a decisive advantage and going right back to that headlock. Willow's trying to fight out of it. Ooh, just muscling Vanity over with a snapmare.
Grabs an armbar.
Perhaps Willow looking to slow things down, although, I mean, Willow is known to bounce around the ring as well.
And a tackle. That's what she's known for. She brings fun, she brings energy, and it's great to see it.
Yeah, I mean, whenever Willow enters the room, it just completely lights up. I mean, Vanity does not want to go home with a loss either.
No, she has a vicious side to her, so I would not be surprised if she gets sick of the fun and the dancing and just takes it to Willow.
Of course, Vanity was a standby, booked last minute against Sonya Strong back at Identity Crisis. She also wrestled, competed most recently, wasn't able to keep her down, against MJ Jenkins.
Oh, and a pin of her own.
What do they call that, flush in the toilet?
Oh.
What a counter. That was pretty close to the ropes. Maybe the big hair working against her. I don't know if Kevin Quinn could see that she was under the rope. Up and over, narrowly avoiding contact. Oh!
Vicious power slam.
You're talking about that nasty side of Vanity.
Well, there you see it.
Just dumping Willow on her head. You're gonna wonder if the copious amounts of hair has helped her out a little bit.
A bit of fluff, maybe?
I don't think that really helps too much, right? If you get dumped on your head, no, probably
not like that.
Smart though, Vanity, making sure that Willow stays away from the ropes. I mean, instinctually as a wrestler, you can't be pinned by the ropes, you can't be submitted, so that's always where to go to when you're on the defense. And Vanity is just so smart right here.
She's gonna keep her in the center.
Ooh! How smart is that, attacking the shoulder and then going right for the pin, making it that much more difficult for your opponent to get their arm off the mat.
Yeah.
Made a mistake right there, though, letting Willow get to the ropes.
And letting her stand up. You gotta, while she's on the ground, attack her. Don't let her stand up.
Well, quickly capitalizing. Uh-oh. Ooh. Jesus. Vanity might have hurt her own arm there with that clubbing blow.
That looks like it.
Looking for perhaps a Northern Light suplex. We'll never know. think Willow, again, trying to get to the ropes to avoid Vanity, realizing that she might be able to get back on top with a well-placed Russian leg sweep.
It looks like a modified octopus, maybe? I don't know. I don't even know what that's called.
Yeah, putting pressure on the head, the neck, the shoulder, the abdomen. I mean, that's a pretty effective submission.
Absolutely.
Vanity, what a smart counter. And Willow was forced to give up the hold, or else she would have been pinned to the mat. Oh.
Just collide.
Yeah. Both wrestlers, same idea at the same time. Oh, that time, Vanity, a moment of hesitation. Now, this is a nasty side that we have not seen out of Willow.
Not out of Willow. I would have never expected that. Oh, it's challenging her for more.
Oh, missing wildly. This one's breaking down. This is just getting ugly in a hurry.
You know, we talked earlier about wanting to be speaking for yourself, and I think both these girls have the same idea doing that.
Willow baited her into that, had the reversal of the whip, charging in with a clothesline. Now Vanity stumbling out, taken down with a big clothesline. These clotheslines have been very effective. They've turned the tide for Willow, so I can't be surprised that she's been so reliant on them. But if she continues to use them, you wonder if Vanity's going to find a counter.
Yeah, you can't go to the well one too many times, especially, you know, they're both trained by great wrestlers. You look for those things.
Great impact on the spine buster, not the best pin. She had a bit of a folding press, but not enough coverage. Willow's starting to get desperate here. Gonna wonder if she's gonna be looking to go to the heavens for that drop kick from the top. And Vanity is none too pleased. Oh, nasty elbow. Rolling in the center of the ring. Oh, that was a little close. That was a bit of a close call. Enough.
That's self-explanatory, yeah?
What is going on?
We've broken down here at WWR, and it's a brawl to the outside.
I'm at a loss for words.
You have to wonder if that's illegal.
What, fighting on the floor or hitting somebody below the belt?
Hitting someone below the belt. Oh! And she just returns the favor, so.
Yeah, that's always one of those gray areas, huh? I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna get in trouble. Willow maybe not looking for a moonsault from the second rope. Wow!
Did she get enough of it, though? Yeah? What a match. We're speechless.
I'm speechless. Well, Vanity's gonna have to go to the back. Perhaps Ann, the bartender, could get her some ice for whatever ails her. And Deonna, I want to wish you the absolute best of luck with your match against Awesome Kong later on tonight.
Thank you. I'm going to need it.
You're welcome.